Morning to one and all, respected chief guest of today's function, the newly elected member of parliament to Rajya Sabha, आमच्या मायाताई इमनाते, the authority in IVF in this country who has delivered more than 20,000 babies in her IVF center, Dr. Nandita Palshettikar madam, uh, Dr. Sangeeta Tajpuria, Dr. Sajal Mitra sir, Dr. Devasthale, Dr. Shembarkar sir, and I would like to congratulate Dr. Anuja Bhalerao and her leadership skills that has made this today's day possible. Dr. Bohariwala madam, Housab Bhoge, all the eminent gynecologists present here of the city, the IMA, the NOGS representatives present here. It really is a matter of pride for the VSPM, the management of Lata Mangeshkar Hospital, that we are inaugurating a Matoshri IVF center today. It is gynec department that always comes to my mind. The founding members of the department, whether it was Dr. Leela Dubey, Dr. Bohariwala madam, and the sheer hard work, sincerity and dedication that they have shown and given to the department, that has really led this department to this astounding heights. So, following the footsteps of the founders, the department is now trying to take a giant leap in IVF, and I hope with this Matoshri IVF in Lata Mangeshkar Hospital, the IVF will be really affordable one and will be of help to the masses at large. आपल्या सर्वांना माहिती आहे की as is always said, my better half is Ayushri is here. She runs the school in Amravati, and the big emblem that she has displayed in the campus, every child gives birth to a mother. So that is really true. So all these IVF centers and the Department of Gynec in Lata Mangeshkar Hospital, that every child that will come out of IVF will actually give the happiness to the mothers and actually to the families of this child. So I hope आपल्या सर्वांच्या आशीर्वादाने येणाऱ्या पुढच्या काळामध्ये मातोश्री IVF लता मंगेशकर हॉस्पिटलचं हे हजारो लाखो बाळांना जन्म देईल आणि जन्म देताना कितीतरी मातृत्वाचं सुख, ममतेचा आनंद आणि पूर्ण कुटुंब, पूर्ण त्यानिमित्ताने फॅमिली पूर्ण होण्याचं जे मनामध्ये सुख प्रत्येक घराचं असतं ते पूर्ण करण्यासाठी, स्वप्न साकार करण्यासाठी नक्कीच आपले डिपार्टमेंटचे सर्व लोक दिवसरात्र एकत्र करतील आणि एक आगळं वेगळं नाव मातोश्री IVF सेंटरला संपूर्ण राज्यातच नव्हे तर देशामध्ये देण्याचे प्रामाणिक प्रयत्न करतात. ॲज हॅज बीन सेड बाय the earlier speakers, it is not only the medical and the clinical acumen, but it is also the compassion and the empathy that the doctor needs to show to the aspiring parents. The kind of emotional bondage, the kind of dogma, stigma that the mother or the family has gone through needs to be taken proper care of, and unless the human touch is there, unless the empathy is there, unless the compassion is there, not just the medical sciences and the technology will help, but I think the compassion behind the way you behave, the way you treat the patient is also more important. In this era of artificial intelligence, in this era of freezing the embryo for 50 years, as you were saying, we hope that this basic skill set of doctors, again I am coming back to the compassion, empathy, and the one-to-one, heart-to-heart connect with the patient is more important, and that is only which will give us a edge and the niche in such a crowded market of IVF. Now I am saying market. तर याच्यामध्ये आपल्या सर्वांना प्रयत्न करू. महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले जीवनदायी योजना असेल किंवा प्रधानमंत्री आरोग्य योजना असेल, याच्यामध्ये समजा IVF आपल्या सर्वांना मिळून आणता आलं तर खरंच एका काळी 40 वर्षापूर्वी लुईस ब्राउन, the first IVF child that was born, and decades after that the IVF technology was only for some few who could really afford it. but we have to make it affordable, and I hope getting IVF in all these government sponsored schemes will really help to make the families of the really जे जनसामान्य जे अन्यथा एवढ्या मोठ्या महागड्या टेक्नॉलॉजीला अफोर्ड करू शकत नाही अशा सर्व लोकांना IVF सारखी टेक्नॉलॉजी उपलब्ध आपण नक्कीच करून देण्याकरता मायाताई तुम्ही राज्यसभेत आणि आम्ही विधानसभेत आणि आपल्या तर घरचे मुख्यमंत्री आहेत, तर नक्कीच महाराष्ट्रामध्ये तरी IVF हे जीवनदायी आणि प्रधानमंत्री आरोग्य योजनामध्ये जसं मध्य प्रदेशमध्ये आहे तसं करण्यासाठी आम्ही नक्कीच प्रयत्न करू. आणि लता मंगेशकर हॉस्पिटलचं IVF सेंटर हे अशा सर्व कुटुंबांना, अन्यथा ज्यांना IVF ही महागडी व्यवस्था असल्यामुळे परवडत नाही, ते लता मंगेशकर हॉस्पिटलला येऊन आपल्या IVF सेंटरच्या माध्यमातून एक सुखी कुटुंब आणि हजारो लाखो मुलं हे नक्कीच त्या माध्यमातून चांगले सुख देण्याच्या दृष्टीने आपण नक्कीच प्रयत्न करू, असाच विश्वास आजच्या दिवशी मी आपल्याला देतो. परत एकदा गायनिक डिपार्टमेंटचं मनपूर्वक आभार आणि अभिनंदन व्यक्त करतो की आपण अशाच पद्धतीने जास्तीची चांगली मेहनत करत राहा आणि आजपर्यंत 35 वर्षामध्ये जे लता मंगेशकरचं सर्वात चांगलं डिपार्टमेंट होतं त्याची परंपरा आपण समोरही कायम ठेवा. सर्वांचे खूप खूप धन्यवाद.